Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jared, JaredDigital.com. Welcome to my YT influencer review. Now, in the national guys, this is a training program that will show you how you can get started on YouTube to make money as an affiliate marketer, or how you can use YouTube to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing. All right. Now, I have a members area access right here, guys. But before I'm gonna walk you through and show you inside, let me share something that I know that would help you guys out take action. All right. Now, I have been trying to make money online for 4 years now. I constantly jump into different kind of methodology or trainings and courses, traffic loopholes, and these other methods that these gurus are selling you online. And to be honest, guys, none of those methods and training and courses works for me. Only YouTube gives me the results that I need. And when I start taking action, we start creating and uploading content on YouTube, and that's the only time that I get results that I want. And right now, I just resigned from my job and I do this full time right now. I make a living on a YouTube, and I support my family with the commissions that I got, and with the YouTube ad revenue that I got. This is where YT influencer can help you guys out. If you wanted to get results that you really wanted, guys, then YouTube is your best friend, or YouTube is one of the best places to get started as a complete beginner. Right? I myself, I'm still learning things out, and I know that it's really hard to get started on YouTube right now, but with the right training, the right mentor, and step-by-step guidance, you will be able to uh, get this results that you need. All right, this is a program created by Chris. Now, I've been following Chris for a year now, and all of his content, all of his craft is, top notch. Right, if you go to his YouTube channel, you can see that he's actually telling you the real stuff. He's not selling you this crappy product or some loopholes that these gurus are selling. Right, YouTube is one of the best place to make money online. Right, so as you can see, guys, I'm inside of the training right here. Now you have three part training right here. The first one is the preparing, the next one is taking action, the last one is the case study. So all right, so now before I'm gonna walk you through each of these videos right here, let me show you first my bonuses, guys. If you decide to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video. So this is my bonus page for YT influencer, and when you scroll down right here, this is where you access all of my custom crafted bonuses. Right, my bonus number one, guys, I'm gonna be showing you a case study of my result. This is not other people's result. How I use YouTube to make $4,000 in 30 days promoting a single product. This is really powerful, and this will help you as well, take action, because even a newbie like me, even a non-English speaking person like me, can get results. Right, so in this case study, I'm going to be showing you the exact product that I use, and you can implement this method to any kind of product or offer that you wanted to promote. All right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, I'm going to be letting you guys clone my done for you affiliate site. Let me show you that website looks like. Alright guys, so this is my website looks like, and I'm gonna let you guys clone this exact website. You can customize this with your own logo, and this comes with free hosting and free domain. But if you wanted to connect your own domain just like here, you can also do that. But this is free hosting for life, and this is the exact website that I'm currently using right now. I'm gonna let you clone this, and I'm even provide you guys the template, the Canva template, the graphic template. That way you can modify this website in your own, or promote product, or if you are in the different kind of niches, then you can customize this or put your own affiliate product right here in different kind of niches. So my bonus number three, I'm gonna be letting you guys access to video rank engine. This is a tool that I use, guys, to help my videos rank on YouTube. Let me show you how this works. All right, now this tool can help you guys identify the tags that they are using in their video. Like for example, this one right here, I can just copy link address and I can use this tool right here. I'm just gonna paste the tags, or I'm just gonna paste the URL right here. I click on search tag and it will let you search the tags or identify the tags that they are using in their video. I can use this copy and paste, or I can download these tags, right? And it can help you rank your videos, right? So that is basically my bonus number three. My bonus number four, I'm gonna give you guys access to 15 done for you logo opener. You can use this in your YouTube intro video or YouTube outro video, because branding is one of the key factor when it comes to getting successful with YouTube. So this can help you guys out. This is a template that you can use to create your logo, opener or intro or outro. Right. So that is my bonus number four. My bonus number five, I'm gonna let you guys clone my exact campaign. So this is the exact campaign that I am using right now to make $75 per sale. Right, so I'm gonna be letting you guys clone this exact campaign. Alright, so this is my exact campaign right here. I'm gonna let you clone this. Done for you automated system. Done for you opt-in page. Done for you high converting product. So with this, guys, you will be able to make $75 per click or per sale. All right, and all you have to do is to import this inside of your account. And the best part, this comes with free hosting, free autoresponder, and everything is done for you, right? Campaign is done. All you have to do is to activate the traffic, right? So that is my bonus number five. My bonus number six, guys, I'm gonna let you guys clone this exact bonus page right here, right? So if you wanted to create a review video on YouTube just like this one, then you need to create a bonus page, something like this. Then I'm gonna let you clone this exact bonus page template right here, right? My bonus number seven, guys, I'm gonna give you access to a software that will let you guys create a product box or a product mock-up like this, all right? And to be honest, I am the one who created this product mock-up from the YT influencer sales page right here. Right, I actually talked to Chris and I sent this product mock-up or product box right here, right? And this mock-up right here. All right, so yeah, that's basically my bonus number seven, and I created this box within just a few clicks. I'm able to create this beautiful box or product mock-up like this. And then I'm also gonna give you guys access to this affiliate marketing training courses right here. So bonus number eight is Incognito. This is an affiliate marketing course that will show you how to make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face. And then bonus number nine is, this is my favorite method. This is, all of these guys are the product that I bought in the past, and these are the training program that I used to learn affiliate marketing, right? And I'm gonna give you access to all of this for free, right? So the next one is the $100 in 24 hours, so you can learn how you can make money within just the 24 hours of implementing the method. And then the next one is another affiliate marketing course, which is Bang Bang Profits. And then the next one is how to make $100 per day with your mobile phone. And the next one is the secret weapon. This is another affiliate marketing training course. And then the next one is how to make $100 per day with your laptop and with free traffic method. And then bonus number 14 is a case study from broke to 100K per month, right? So those are all of my bonuses. If you guys decide to pick this up, through the link down in the description of this video. So when you click any of these buttons right here, my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page. The headline says how I turned my YouTube channel into a six-figure income stream with affiliate marketing, right? So this is the sales page right here, and this is a no-brainer deal, guys. For only $12, you'll be able to learn the things that you needed to know to be successful on YouTube, all right? So this is the training area. Let me go back to the welcome area right here. All right, so this is the welcome area of YT Influencer, and Chris is gonna welcome you inside of the members area right here. He's gonna walk you through how you can navigate inside of the members area. But all you have to do is to And by the way, guys, when you purchase the YT influencer, you will be automatically become an affiliate of the YT influencer, and you can promote this product, right? You can go to affiliate center right here, and this is where you learn and get your affiliate link just by going into the JB document right here and get your affiliate link, right? And to access the training module, all you have to do is click on the training center right here. So this is where you access to the main training of this course right here. So the first part is the preparing. So this is where you learn how to think before you start. The second module is the proof. The third module is affiliate network. So basically, Chris is gonna explain to you guys a different type of affiliate network that you can choose to promote product. And then in module number 4, Chris is going to show you how to find product to promote. And in module number 5, guys, you're going to learn what type of videos that you can create or that you can make. You can create buyer intent videos. This is where Chris is going to show you how to use keyword or what keyword that you should be using to create buyer intent video. So this is really powerful, right? And you can make a sale with this method because you'll be creating or you'll be using a keyword that is intentional to get the people to buy the product that you're trying to promote. And then a review video, solving problem videos, coupons and this coupons and discount. This is really powerful. And if you're a complete beginner, then this is one of the video that you should be creating, coupon and discount, because there's a lot of people out there looking for a coupon, looking for a discount, and they can easily rank this kind of videos on YouTube. And Chris is gonna show you exactly how to do that. And then on informational videos, right? And in part 2, guys, this is where you take action, how to set up your YouTube channel, link verification, recording physical products. So you're not just limited to promoting digital products, softwares. You can also record or promote physical products from Amazon. And then how to rank without owning the products. And the next module is the recording digital products. So if you wanted to promote digital product, then this is one of the module that you can learn inside of the training. And then how to use a video editing software, CapCut, to edit your videos. And this is 100% free. And then how to create a faceless videos using AI, how to create thumbnails. And then module number 9, guys, Chris is going to explain to you how YouTube algorithm works, and then ranking example is going to show you how to rank your videos, YouTube filters, how to cloak your affiliate link. This is going to show you 2 types of strategy, and then adding vidIQ, which will help you identify the metrics of your video. And then part 3, guys, is case study. Now Chris is going to show you the result that he's getting with this, how he is able to make 6-figure doing YouTube or using YouTube, right? So those are all of the modules that you can expect inside of the YT influencer. Now there are some upsells of this, guys, right? So you can learn these upsells in my bonus page right here, right? So these are the upsells, but for the main or the core training is only $12. But if you wanted to consider upgrading your account, you can upsell to launch jacking, which the exact method that I'm doing right now, which is launch jacking. So you can learn step-by-step process on how you can do launch jacking and outrank your competitors. Right, so this is gonna cost you $67. And then OTO number 2 is the ranking expert. So this is where Chris is gonna show you the advanced training on how you can rank your videos on the first page of the search result and beat your competition. This is really powerful, and it's gonna cost you $147. Alright, so those are all of the upsells. And again, guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account. You can get instant access to all of these bonuses after your purchase of YT Influencer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. I love you.